In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage users for your company with a mobile device. In order to manage users, your user account must be a super user. If you're not set up as a super user, you will need to ask a super user in your company to manage users for you, or update your account to a super user. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new user for your company, click the menu icon, then click Account. Then click Manage Users. This will bring you to the user search page, where you can view all the users added to your company in BorderConnect. At the top, you have the option to invite a new user to BorderConnect or to create a new user profile by tapping Create User, then clicking either Create Super User or Create Normal User. The main differences between a super user and a normal user is access to manage or change additional administration information for your company in BorderConnect. For example, a super user can create or remove existing user accounts, and also change company information on the company details page, and a normal user cannot. So now let's create a super user, which will bring you to the Add New User page. Starting from the top, enter the user's first name, and optionally their last name. Then the title of the user, and the user's email address, phone number, and phone number extension if it's applicable. Lastly, if your company operates out of multiple terminals, you can click the Terminal Office field to change the terminal the user operates out of. And to learn how to create and manage terminals in BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now. And now below, enter the user's credentials to log into BorderConnect. So enter the username, and then below the password, confirming the password again at the very bottom. Once you've verified the new user's information, go to the top and click Save, and it'll bring you back to the user search page, where you can now see that the new user has been added. And to invite a new user to BorderConnect, click Invite User at the top, and just enter their first name, last name, and email address. Then send the invitation, which will send an email inviting them to create a BorderConnect user account. Also, as a super user, I've mentioned that you have the ability to manage users for your company as well. So from the user search page, you can view, edit, or even delete existing users from the system. Additionally, you can set up your user account for email notifications and other user profile preferences under My Account Settings. To learn how to set up email notifications for ACE or ACI eManifest updates or other user preferences, click the link at the top of the video now for a quick tutorial on a review of My Account Settings.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.